Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and I'm here unboxing day by day the Countdown to Christmas by Strawberry Lime Designs and Plannerface. So every day I'm going to come and add a little bit to this video of me opening one of these beautiful parcels, starting today with number 12. To be fair, they're all going to be the same video for you, so it won't make any difference. So without further ado, I'll clear these off my desk and get started. Okay, so you're going to get like live action replays of my first reaction to this. If you just want to see the items without the full video, I do have this also on my Instagram stories. So yeah, I feel like this is an album from the shape of it. So Plannerface makes two sizes of albums now. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. That is even more pretty than I was expecting. Wow. So it is an album, I was correct, it is the smaller size album because the bigger size albums were not out at the time this was released. This bow design, the bow is exclusive to, this particular bow is drawn by one of Beth's PR girls, Carla I believe, at Strawberry Lime Designs. So yeah, that's that. It is absolutely stunning. So yeah, I'm also at the same time filming for Instagram from my phone over there. That's what I was just showing that to. So yeah, wow, I am amazed by that. Thank you so much. So yeah, that's it for today. See you again tomorrow. Okay, so we're back with the 14th of December. So let's just get straight on and open it up so this video doesn't turn into like a million years long. I can't open it. I'm trying not to like rip it completely so I'd see what it is. Okay. Oh, we're wrapped in paper. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Okay. So these are headers. They are red glitter foiled headers. And the foiling is just perfect. And then we have clear overlay boxes. So yeah, just showing those to my Instagram as well. They are very, very pretty. I'm really pleased with this. This advent calendar seems like it's going to be amazing. I'm so excited. So yeah, that's today. Okay, so on to the 15th, and again I'm just going to get straight on with opening. Oh, that one peeled up really easily, so that, you know, it's easier. Ooh, it is a full kit in Plannerface style. Let's open it up. I upgraded to premium matte, so this is in premium matte. These are the glitter headers. Oh wow, this is stunning. This is the new format with the new releases midweek stickers there. Then we have all of the pages of a full kit. That is beautiful. Yeah, that is today's item. Okay, so moving swiftly on to today's, which is the 16th. Oh, it looks like a mini kit, I think, which looks stunning. I love those florals. I'm guessing a mini kit from the thickness of the envelope. So as I said, I've got this in premium matte, so they are the full boxes. Yeah, it's a mini kit, so the boxes and the washi strips, date covers, weekend banner, things like that, and then you get glitter headers as well. So yeah, that is today's item in the advent calendar. Okay, moving on to today's, which is the 17th, number 8 days till Christmas. So this again, oh, multicoloured sheets. Let's open it up and have a closer look. These look like a mixture from Plannerface and Strawberry Lime Designs, which is interesting. So let's zoom in a little bit. So we have sort of glitter and heart checklists. Then we have some glitter, sorry, these are glitter headers, I believe. Oh my god, I can't open. Glitter headers, full heart checklists, and some flags. Then we have some glitter like half boxes, 3 heart checklists, some quarter boxes, and some ombre weekly checkboxes and some more quarter boxes from Strawberry Lime Designs. Then from Plannerface, so these are the same like colourway, no, different colourways. So those two are like these, those three are those three. Yeah, so we've got board due, habit tracker, appointment labels, half boxes, quarter boxes, full heart checklists, and some skinny appointment labels. And then we've got these three, which are these three colours maybe? They're like the same colours, maybe-ish. And then these three, which are definitely those three. So it looks like sort of there's 2 extras on this page, maybe. So there's 8 there, there's 9 there, so like they mostly match. So yeah, that is today. Like, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 sheets of multicolours. Yeah. So we are on the 18th of December now, and moving on to number 7. So I never know what the easiest way to open these is. I've realised the paper that is on... Oh, I've messed up opening this completely. The paper is so that you can't see through the envelope of what it is, which is really cool. Ooh. Ooh, this is pretty and cool and new. Just show Instagram. Let's have a closer look. I think these look like die cuts to me. I'm impressed how she managed to line them up. They're now never going to look the same again. So that is just like a card that says Strawberry Lime Designs. And yeah, these are some little die cuts with that same bow shape on. And it looks like they're the same colours as that multicolour sampler. So yeah, there are 8 different colours of those. So they're pretty. So yeah, they are super pretty. I'm really pleased with those. Hi again, we're now on the 19th of December. So 6 days till Christmas, and we're just gonna get straight on. And that one opened dead cleanly. So, ooh, this looks like a mini kit from Plannerface with glitter headers, and this theme is called Self-Care. I love the pastel-y colours of it. So the colours don't look right in this recording. They're actually much more vibrant than they look. I might play with that in a minute to try and get the colours right. But this is a deluxe weekly mini kit from Plannerface with the glitter headers. And I'll just show that quickly to my Instagram, and then I'm going to have a mess about with the colours. So yeah, let's have a mess about with the colours, see if I can get this right. So I couldn't find a way that I'm happy with the colours that they're coming out, how they are on screen. Maybe after editing I can have a play. But yeah, so like that pink is definitely like pinker and brighter. I don't know why it's coming up so strangely. It doesn't normally do this. Like the colours are normally pretty true to colour. So yeah, but anyway, like these are 4 distinctly different colours, and it just looks muted in my computer screen for some reason. Maybe it won't when I move it onto a computer, but anyway, this is it's pastel, but it's not like muted. I don't know how to describe it, and I don't know why it's taking funnily. Maybe I'll insert a photo of here if I can get a decent one of the colours. So yeah, if you can see a photo now, that's the real colours. If you can just see my hand here, it's not. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, so moving on, it is now the 20th of December. I'm opening this a bit earlier than the last couple of days because I'm at home today. Oh, well that went well, didn't it? Oh, we have some more foil. So we have some words stickers in gold foil and some headers in rose gold. So I think some people on the other day we got foil got these headers rather than this sheet. So we now have like one of each foil colour, so silver, rose gold, gold and a red. So I think some people got like those 2 sheets on the other day and these 2 today, probably. Yeah, 2 foil sheets for today. Again, just gonna show them to Instagram. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Okay, so I am back on the 21st. It's the 21st today, isn't it? It's Friday the 21st. Yeah. It's just like, have I already done this? No, I've not already opened today's gift. And we have some bow headers in a neutral colour, in the colourway that has been used throughout this. So you have 2 sheets of bow headers in premium matte, beautiful premium matte, and I suspect, yeah, they match these colours, or at least some of them match. So like those ones match. So there's like a couple of extras along with the matching of the multicoloured sheet. Okay, that's today. Bow headers. They are stunning. Hello again. It's actually several days later. It's definitely not the 22nd of December. It is in fact the 30th of December. But I am going to open these last 3 on the 30th, 31st and the 1st of January. Just because I like to open one a day. So this looks like a full kit from Strawberry Limes Designs' shop. And it's called Kindness. Let's open her up, and again, we'll be on premium matte because I paid for the premium matte upgrade for this advent calendar. So they are the full boxes. They are these beautiful, like pastel green and pinks. And for the first time, she's got like a full box you can write over, like paled. That's the functional page, box page, washi and washi strips, ombre heart check boxes, little things and headers, and the date covers and those bits and pieces, and of course you also got the glitter headers. So yeah, that is today's. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so we are back with the 23rd of December gift on the 31st of December, and I think this is going to be die cuts just from I forgot to start recording on. It's glittery die cuts. So I think these are from Plannerface, given she has done die cuts like this before. Glittery ones, I mean. And we've had die cuts from Strawberry Lime Designs. So that said, that is Strawberry Lime Designs bow. Let's just sort these out a little bit. They are like Planner Girl themed. So I like the colours of these. They're like purpley bluey pinks, which are some of my favourite, and they are sort of shiny, which is quite cute. So we have 3 of the Strawberry Lime Designs bow styles, 2 bow clips, another bow, different type of bow clip, pens, etc. So yeah, that is today's gift. See you tomorrow. I am back with the very final day of this advent calendar. I've made it right through to January the 2nd because life's just been super hectic. So yeah, and here we have, oh no, that piece of paper's just, it's a marble notepad with very pretty bow on top. That is stunning. I don't know how many sheets it is, but that is beautiful. So yeah, just going to show it to Instagram. And that, just moving my phone out of the way, sorry if you can hear me clunking, is all of the days of the advent calendar. So let's pull in as much as I can feasibly manage. So this was a massive advent calendar. I believe I paid £60 because I got the premium matte upgrade, and part of the way through the month I started to work out like the value of this, and by day something 4 I was at £40 already, and and then there was a lot more after that. So this was definitely a good value advent calendar. I'm not saying that just because I PR for Plannerface, and I am still on the PR team. Yay! My code has changed slightly. It is now Tilly10. It's 10% off, but there is no minimum spend anymore, which is very exciting. So yeah, super good value advent calendar. I'll be definitely getting it again if they do another one. Check out 2 of my favourite shops. So yeah, I'm really pleased. So many stickers here, so many things I'm going to use. There are bits that aren't like I wouldn't necessarily have bought otherwise, but I definitely love them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked having a look at this advent calendar, and I hope to see you in my next video. Comment down below what you thought of this advent calendar and if you got any this year and which they were. Yeah, bye.